So it's very simple, the way how you use it. So today is 5th of September, and we are on the last day of the trading week. So this is called as FuturesTree, and you can actually trade very in a very simple manner here. Now the prices what you see here of the spot market prices or the cash market prices. So you should understand that the cash market price is the real market, and your options and futures are always a speculative market. So your prices and futures and options will always depend on your cash market prices. So with the cash market prices, you can trade in options and you can trade in futures also. So this is how we trade. It's very simple. Now you are seeing the various scripts here. There are around 30 scripts here, and for each script there is a buy and sell call that is generated. And for every script, for every call, that is for a buy call or a sell call, there is a stop loss also. So this is a stop loss. SL is a stop loss, and against the name of the script is you'll find the current market price. That is the price at which Nifty is running or the script is running at that particular point of time, which refreshes every 3 to 4 seconds. Now how do we trade? It's very simple. Now when Nifty comes to 8114.5, this will go into green. You are seeing that as green now. So you'll buy one lot of Nifty in futures at the current market price, at the price which is existing at that point of time. You can just see what is the Nifty futures price right now, and you can buy at this price. But after you place the order, you will have to just keep in mind about your stop loss. This stop loss is in the spot market. So either the script moves ahead and then meets its targets, that is target 1, target 2, intermediate target, target 4, 5, 6, 7. You have various target levels. Now as soon as the script reaches intermediate target, you can change your stop loss from 8100 to other figure. Now that is how you trade. Now in case if the market reverses, what will happen is Nifty will hit the stop loss at 8100, then you exit your buy call. And if it reverses and if it falls down, you'll get a sell call at 8085. These prices are generated automatically at around 9:15. So as soon as the market opens, you'll have the prices and then you can trade. Now let me just give you an example of today's calls. Nifty we have a buy call. Bank Nifty we have a buy call. 2499 SBI we had a buy call. Now it is at target 2. So once it comes to target 2, you can change your stop loss. Now Hero Motors we have one, that is the only call which we have a sell call, but in ITC also we had a sell call. DLF has already made its final target. The target levels are here, the final targets. These are the final targets. So you can exit at final targets or intermediate targets, or you can keep trailing your stop losses till it reaches its targets or your targets. So these are the crucial levels, that is the intermediate target and the final target are the crucial levels. You can see Maruti is at intermediate target, L&T is there at intermediate target. And for the other scripts, you can see that they have already made their final targets. So it's hardly 940, 950, let's say. So around half an hour, 45 minutes, you have these trades ready. Now we have a buy call in S Bank. So what you'll do is you'll buy one lot of S Bank in futures. Or else if you want to do options, you can even do options also. Now you choose the strike price for S Bank, let's say 620 or 630 is the strike price. And then you'll buy and call option. Whenever there is a buy call, you'll buy and call option. And whenever there is a sell call, you will buy and put option. Now let's say Sun Pharma we have a sell call now. This is a fresh call what we have got. 865 you can short one lot of Sun Pharma in futures. Or else what you can do is you can take a strike of 860 and you can buy one put option. if you want to trade on options. So you can trade in the spot market, you can trade in the futures, and you can trade in the option market also. You can see that it's next to ITC. So as soon as a script reaches its final targets, you can either exit, or in case if you want to further see where this particular script is going, you can keep changing your stop losses. That is, you can have trailing stop losses. And there are some scripts like Infosys and Hindalco. Now what happened with the Infosys is it started at 377.50. That is, it was a gap up. So we will ignore such kind of calls which start beyond the intermediate target. If a script is starting at this point, when you open the software, then you ignore that call. That happened with the same thing with Hindalco also. So you will ignore this kind of calls. Calls which usually start at entry level or target 1 or target 2 are very good calls, and you will make more profits. Now Infosys is actually reversing. Now in case if it reverses completely and then you get a sell call, you can take a sell call. So that is how we trade. And the people who usually ask me like how do you book the profits? For booking the maximum profits, we have another software. So these two softwares are different. So usually for booking profits, and you can trade in all the segments, we have a software called as TradingTree. We use this. I'll just show you some examples of how to book the profits. Not booking just the profits, I'm talking about the maximum profits. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking the backfill. So as soon as I take the backfill, I'll start opening the charts. Axis Bank, we had a buy call yesterday. That's still continuing. So that is Bank Nifty, we had a buy yesterday. That is also continuing now. Bharti Airtel, we have a sell call here in FuturesTree. Supply is flat. Care India, we had a sell call. So that is also flat now. So let's go to DLF. DLF, we have a buy call. By call, it has already made its target levels, but here I will still wait for DLF because I know that there should be a buy call here in DLF in some time. So as soon as we get the buy call here, it can go up to R1 of this brown line. So in that case, what will happen is DLF can go up to expanding targets also. That is the way how we can trade also. Or else if you are happy with the final target, let's say it started at 167 was the entry, 167 minus 170, that is around 3 rupees, 3 rupees, 2000 is a lot, so 6000 rupees you have just made within few minutes. You can be happy with that, or you can still go on trade. So these two softwares are different softwares, don't get confused. This FuturesTree software is purely for intraday. You can trade on all the F&O scripts that are available in the NSE. Yeah, S Bank has got a buy call 622.3. Now it is at 622.3 only. Now it has not gone anywhere. So another 10 paise or 20 paise up and down, it will keep coming, or else you can have your stop loss 619. It might reach up to 620, and then again it will come back and give you a buy call. So it's very important that once you enter a call, you put your stop loss also, and then wait either for the stop loss to hit or your targets to be made. What do you mean by special? I don't know if you have used any technical analysis software before. You will never find this kind of a system which gives you prices at 915. That is on both the buy side and the sell side, irrespective of where the market goes, and irrespective of a gap up or gap down of 100 points any day, you will definitely make money. And you have your exact stop losses, you know your profit levels. So if there is something better than this, I have never seen any kind of software. You know your targets, you know your risk levels, so you can trade. And all this at 9:15. When the market actually opens, people will be just looking at the numbers. They won't know where to go. They'll blindly place the trades and keep losing. But here you don't have to do that. You know the exact prices, where to enter, where to exit, what is your stop loss. That is what is needed for trading. And it's purely intraday. And this is for people who already are trading. Anyone new to trading, I would suggest you get some experience on how to trade, what is the market and how the market acts. Then it will be easy for you. We will not be able to take freshers and then train them up. So this is for people who already know something about trading. JP Associates, we have a sell call. You can see that 37.28, 36.38 is the intermediate target for that. Sun Pharma is at 860 now, so roughly around 2,500 rupees on Sun Pharma. So Sun Pharma, you know that we were just talking now only 865. You can short one lot, I said. Now it is at 859. So that's roughly around 6 rupees on each lot. 500 is the lot size. So roughly around 3,000 rupees is your profit. So Nifty looks still strong. ONGC, we have a buy call. We have a buy call in even FuturesTree also. Ranbaxy is a sell call. We should be getting a sell call. RCOM is flat. Reliance is also flat. Rel Infra is a buy call. So you'll be getting a buy call now in Rel Infra. But we have already made final targets there in FuturesTree. I'll just show you that. SBI is a buy call. We have a buy call there also. Sun Pharma, we have a sell call there. So we should be getting a sell call in Sun Pharma now in TradingTree. But overall, if you see, it is at 858. 865 was the entry. Now Rel Infra, once it has already made its final target, but we can still wait because I am expecting a buy call in TradingTree actually.
There's a buy call KO1.
So ONGC, we have a buy call. I just showed you that.
There is a sell call in FUNPHARMA1. There is a sell call in RAMPAXE1.
So I was just telling you about Sun Pharma and Ranbaxy. So we have a sell call in Ranbaxy. We have a sell call in Sun Pharma. The simple way to trade is, this is for TradingTree. The prices what you are finding in TradingTree are the futures prices. You directly get the futures prices. So how you trade is, the low of this candle, that is 861. You slightly place 1 rupee down below this. That is in case if you are ready to lose 500 rupees. Sun Pharma is 500 lot. So you just place at 860 and wait for your trade to trigger. So your first target will be your S2 and the second target will be your S3. So that is about Sun Pharma, and you have the stop loss also. So the red line what you are seeing, the horizontal line, that is your stop loss. Or you can have your own stop losses with the recent low of the candles, and then you can keep trailing your stop loss also. So you can just see JP Associates has already done its final target. I'll just show you the chart for JP. We will know where it's going to end. So S1 is the first level, first target. So we got the sell call 2 days back, right at 47 rupees. Now it is at 35. So we have a sell call in Ranbaxy, Cipla, Sun Pharma. I think Dr. Reddy also should be there. So SBI has made its intermediate target. So you can just see that here. This is the intermediate target level. So that's roughly around 12 rupees, around 1300 rupees on SBI. RCOM we have a sell call. Bharti we had a sell call, still there. BPCL we have a buy call. See, Mr. Anurag, I have already sent you all the details. Just check your mail. I have sent you the mail, Anurag RS or something like that, gmail.com. I have already sent you all the details. So Sun Pharma, I think the next level, the final target for Sun Pharma will be 854. So the complete Pharma pack looks down today, and we have news on Sun Pharma and Ranbaxy actually. You can see that here, Sun Pharma and Ranbaxy, we have news. So both are in the same direction. Now let me add SAIL, NTPC, RCOM. RCOM is already there, Petronet. Let me add SAIL, NTPC and Petronet. So these are the calls. So these are the calls that are on trade actually. I mean, these are on news actually. That's very simple. Like if you are ready for the stop loss, you should enter the trade. If you are not ready, usually what I tell people is go slow on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty can be in a range of 20 points also. So you can see that the range is around 10 points, 810 to 820. So it can go anywhere. So go slow on Nifty. You have other 28 scripts you can trade. So why just worry about Nifty and Bank Nifty? That is what usually I do. I do tell people also. Don't ask me, you have everything here. If you ask me again, there is no point in having the software. You know the prices, you know the stop loss, you should trade, that's it. If you start thinking and if you start asking, then there is no point in buying a product and then not using it. It's very simple, negligible loss. At the end of the day, your losses will be negligible compared to the profit what you make. I'll show you it, I'll show you. So RCOM has already done its final target. NTPC has done its final target now, 141. 60. JP Associates 32.
There is a sell call in YSB and
There is
A1.
a cell phone GM or INFY. There is a cell phone in JPOW1.